Guys, over here are Amazon tree boas. The Amazon tree boa's scientific name is Coloris hontalanus. This snake can be a variety of colors, including black, brown, gray, red, orange, or yellow. Eats, drinks, raindrops, and mist that gather on the leaves, and mates and gives birth in the trees. The boa hunts at night by hanging from branches in an S shape, waiting for prey to come by. And these guys can be found in northern South America and eat things like rodents, birds, and small monkeys. And like all other boas, they constrict their prey.